Many of us were taught a simplified version of the Pilgrim's journey to the New World, often framed around a quest for religious freedom. While it's true the Pilgrims sought a place where they could practice their faith freely, they had already found religious freedom in the Netherlands 40 years before crossing the Atlantic. The Pilgrims were the first to arrive in the New World as family units. So why would families, including children, risk the dangerous voyage across the ocean to the New World if they already had the religious freedoms that we were taught they were seeking? Well, the real motivation behind the perilous voyage was to spread the gospel and establish a community based on Christian principles. They told us this in their own words. The Mayflower Compact, signed aboard the Mayflower in 1620, is a testament to these intentions. This document, often regarded as the first governing document of the Plymouth colony, was not merely a social contract. It was a covenant with God. The Pilgrims saw themselves as instruments of God's will, establishing a new society for His glory. The text of the Mayflower Compact begins with a profound invocation of divine authority that is conveniently overlooked in our public school system. In the name of God, amen. We whose names are underwritten, having undertaken for the glory of God and the advancement of the Christian faith and the honor of king and country, a voyage to plant the first colony in the northern parts of Virginia, do by these presents solemnly and mutually, in the presence of God and one another, covenant and combine ourselves together in a civic body politic for our better ordering and preservation and furtherance of the ends aforesaid. This statement makes it clear that their primary aim was the advancement of the Christian faith. They saw their journey and the establishment of their new community as a mission to further God's kingdom on earth. The Mayflower Compact set a precedent for future American documents by emphasizing the importance of a collective commitment to divine principles and mutual cooperation under God's guidance.